Imagine a future where your wealth grows without you constantly watching the stock market or trading hours of your life for every dollar. Real estate investing can make that vision a reality. But is it really as easy as it sounds? And where should you even begin? In the next few minutes, we'll lay out exactly how you can get started in real estate investing. Even if you're a complete beginner, why should real estate be your focus? Because it's a vehicle that has stood the test of time, creating wealth who understand how to use it. Owning property is like owning a piece of the future. Real estate lets you build something solid and tangible. Unlike other investments, it's not just paper or pixels. It's land, homes, and buildings, things that hold value no matter what. And every day you wait is another opportunity passing by. Ever wonder why people say you can't go wrong with real estate? Spoiler alert, they're not totally wrong. So what exactly is real estate investing? It's more than buying houses. Real estate investing is the process of purchasing, managing, or renting property to create income and build long-term wealth. You have the power to choose properties that fit your budget, lifestyle, and goals. Real estate can be anything from a single-family home to a large commercial building. The beauty of it is flexibility. You can scale it up or down based on your goals. Why is real estate such a strong investment? It offers 3 key benefits: income, appreciation, and equity. First, rental income can provide monthly cash flow that grows over time. Second, properties often appreciate, which means they increase in value. Finally, real estate helps you build equity, which is essentially the wealth stored in your property. When you understand these pillars, you start seeing real estate as not just property, but as a wealth-building tool. But what if I can't find tenants? Or what if property values drop? Good questions. Keep watching because we're tackling those in a moment. Let's talk about how to get started. Real estate is flexible, and you can begin in a way that fits your resources and comfort level. Here are 3 effective ways to enter the market. First, buy your first home. One of the easiest ways to start is by buying a home that you live in. Not only does it give you a place to call your own, but over time, it builds equity and value. If you're strategic, you can later use this property as an investment when you move on to the next. Second, house hacking. Another option is house hacking. This is when you buy a multi-unit property, live in one unit, and rent out the others. It's a brilliant way to cover your mortgage, reduce living costs, and start generating income. Third, invest in rental properties or REITs. If you're ready to invest more directly, rental properties can provide strong cash flow. You'll need some capital up front, but these properties offer potential for monthly income. Or, if you prefer a hands-off approach, REITs, real estate investment trusts, let you invest in property without physically managing it. REITs are traded on stock exchanges, so they're accessible to almost anyone. It all sounds exciting, right? But there's a reality check. Real estate isn't without risks. Before you dive in, know the challenges. Property values can drop, vacancies can happen, and maintenance costs can surprise you. The trick is to anticipate these challenges. We'll cover how to assess risks in a separate video, so make sure you're subscribed, because this is only the start of your real estate journey. Want to play it safe or take a calculated risk? Real estate lets you do both. Now that you know the basics of getting started in real estate, the question is, will you take the leap? Real estate isn't just about buildings. It's about building a future, one choice at a time. Whether you start by buying your own home, house hacking, or investing in rentals, each step brings you closer to financial security and freedom. Ready to go deeper? In our next video, we'll cover finding the right property and evaluating the numbers. So subscribe, hit that notification bell, and let's start creating the future you deserve together.